Hello, my name is Mukesh Jain. I'm CTO VP and the Head of Innovation at Capgemini. Today I'm going to talk about what all each one of us can do, students, faculty, in terms of AI. 2 points. First, having that approach of पूछने में क्या जाता है, that attitude about there is no harm in asking. So look at things around and see how these things are made with AI. Simple example I'll give you. There are 12 algorithms of AI. Read those algorithms. Okay? Then whatever application you are using, try and see how these applications are leveraging AI. Netflix, YouTube, Amazon, Uber, each one of them are using heavy AI. Find those out. Other way around. Look at one algorithm and see how you can build something in the algorithm. That's the first approach I would encourage you to do. Second, come up with ideas. Again, पूछने में क्या जाता है? Try and look at daily problem. Try and look at opportunities and see how AI can help there. That attitude of पूछने में क्या जाता है, that attitude that something can work is what will help get the students and faculty to the next level. Remember, ChatGPT is already there. It's already solving some of the mundane tasks. Hello? But human intelligence is something which nobody can match. So how best you can do it best, right? So that is what I would suggest. 2 points. First, understand how these things are built. Second part, come up with the ideas, new ideas to do it and experiment. You will get it. Being a student, being at a college, you have a lot of opportunity to experiment. Which after we get to the corporate, we don't get as much time. So do that part. Looking forward for further interaction. Thank you.